Okay, the baby's enjoying the sunshine. Unfortunately, a seagull's just spotted them. And there we go, there's Freddie Frogmouth sitting with Bill. Hello, Freddie. Is this good? Yes, I'm not too sure about the seagulls either. Oh dear. Now, there's a bugger living in Llandudno. The minute you bring an owl out, the seagulls don't like it. Griff! Griff, look at me. Griff, you are so handsome. Oh, Griff. Griff, look at me. Wait. Griff. No, there's too much going on. He is worried about the seagulls. Oh, no show without punch. Here we go. Here's young Colin. Hello, Colin. Whoa, hiya. And where's Digby? Digby, what are you doing? Digby, look at me. Hello. Well, we have a really happy family here. Hello, Dad. There we go. Okay, well, things are great. And, I'll tell you what, Griff is so handsome. Unfortunately, the seagulls are not quite... Oh, goodness me. We'll save you, darling. We'll save you, don't you worry. You wait as they come down. Just think about your talons. Think about your beak. You can do so much. What's going on with Freddie? Oh. Freddie's trying to pretend he's a branch. Oh dear. No, that's not a very good branch, Freddie. You can do better than that.
You just spotted a little bird.
Yeah. Well, there we go. Baby's in the garden. And we'll fight the seagulls off for you. Don't you worry about it, kids. Bye, everybody.